Okay, today's video, I just wanted to show how you could print out a PNG because I wanted to do a wall mural in my workshop with this bike, and I'm terrible at drawing, so I've got a light projector, so I wanted to like print a PNG to be able to project it up onto the wall. I show a little video of how it looks projected on the wall. I just wanted to show how I did that in Photoshop. It's actually pretty simple. So I'm on the background layer there. I'm just gonna select the subject, which it does a pretty good job. I'm gonna copy and paste that and just turn off this bottom layer because I only want the bike in there. Then up the top here, if you go to filter, stylize, find edges, it will give you this kind of outline, and then go up the top to edit, to image, mode and grayscale, and then merge, and that'll get rid of all the other colors in it. And now if you double click on this right hand side of the layer, it'll bring up this layer style panel, and then this blend diff, if you move it from this end, it's going to take all the whites out. If you move it from this end, it's going to take all the blacks out first. So you just want to slide this whites down until you're not losing your outline. You can see I'm going to say OK there. I'm going to put a layer below. I'm going to put a solid color layer on black just to show how it will print. And it prints roughly like that. It looks a little bit strange on there, but you can see, if I zoom in here, you can see it prints, like just the outline. Some bits are a little bit messed up, but it's easy, you've got the main bulk of everything drawn in there. So, and then all I did was printed that out onto some clear sticker paper, and I actually in the end stuck it right to the light projector, which worked out better. I did try to stick it to something clear first of all so it didn't get stuck to the projector, but it ended up with air bubbles. So I mean, it does a pretty good job at least of getting most of it up there. Yeah, and there you can see, all I've got to do is I'm going to get a piece of wood, put it under these feet on this side, and then I'm going to fix the whole printer into this position so that nothing moves.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left.
That's after the first hour. So just wanted to show that. Considering how bad my drawing skills are, I'm pretty happy with that so far. But yeah, still got a lot to do.